I hope you are all having a wonderful week and are ready for the weekend. I am here to show you a few things that were sent to me by Filofax. A few weeks ago, I was contacted by them and they asked me if I would do a review of a few of their new products. And of course, I had to say yes because I have been a huge fan of Filofax for a very, very long time now. And I wanted to bring to you a few of their new things. So here I am. First of all, we're gonna start off with a few things from their Confetti Collection. So recently they launched two collections. One of them is the Confetti, the other one is the Garden Collection. So I am here to show you the binder from the Confetti Collection and the Refillable Notebook. So first off, let's start with the binder. So this binder is offered in two colors. It is offered in charcoal and in rose quartz, which is the inside of the one that I got. And they come in two different sizes. So they come in personal size, which is the one that I have right here. And they also come in the pocket size. So it is the one that has the 6 smaller rings. And I'm gonna share with you the details of this planner. So it is faux leather and it comes with little specks of gold. So if you get the black, the little specks will be gold. And if you do get the rose quartz, the little specks will be white. It has 6 slide cards right here and then one big card right here. And then on the other side, on the right side of the binder, it has a big slip-in pocket here that can be used to put in a little notebook, and then an elasticated pen loop right here. It is a snap closure, as you saw, and the hardware is silver along with the rings. So the rings are 23mm rings, and they are tight rings like this. Okay, so when you do purchase any binder from Filofax, you do get a set of inserts and note pages. So this is what this one came with. It has the cover page, and then it has a set of 6 dividers. They are cardboard dividers. And then it comes with a couple of pages of notes pages. So it has a set of to-do list pages. And then it has a set of lined pages, grid pages, blank pages, and then blue lined, green lined, and pink lined. So then you also receive some contact inserts. So it's a good amount, and it doesn't have alphabet here, so you can just really write down the names that you need to, or the businesses, and just have your contact pages in your binder. And then here is where we get into the planning portion of it. It comes with inserts that are a week on 2-page inserts. And they also come with a yearly overview, a year at a glance, personal information in several languages, which is very cool. And then it comes with, it says national information. So for the currency, and then let's see, it has dates, so holidays. And then here is the weekly portion of it. So here it is. So it does not include a monthly set of inserts just because this is the weekly insert, the insert pack, but the weekly inserts are horizontal and the pages are white, and they are, I want to say maybe 100 GSM, but I might be wrong. I'll double check and share in the description box. And then the fonts are blue and then black for the dates. So it comes with the entire year. I'm gonna show you 1 month so you can see how they look. And then from January, it goes into February. So we have the entire year of 2021. And then in the back, it has some blank notes pages. And then you get a little slip pocket here and then your page marker. So this is the binder from the Confetti Collection in the personal size. Like I mentioned before, it also comes in pocket size. So you can choose the size that works best for you. Okay, so next we have a notebook. So I was really excited to receive this one because these are refillable notebooks. So you can take the pages in and out. So this notebook is in the rose quartz print, and it has O binding, so O wire binding. And like I mentioned before, it is refillable. So you can take the pages in and out. The notebook comes with 56 sheets of 100 GSM paper. And then the material that it's made of, it's laminate cardboard, which is very sturdy. And I love that it has this elasticated pen loop in gold. So just like the organizer that I shared before, if you do choose the outside to be rose quartz, the inside will be the charcoal. And here's the notebook. The lines of the notebook are blue. Okay, so let me share with you right now the inserts. So I chose a few inserts for this notebook actually because I have a few ideas of how I want to use it. So one of them is for meal planning. And the meal planning inserts are these. So the meal planning inserts come with 56 sheets, and it is white 80 GSM paper, and it is fountain friendly paper. So fountain pen users out there, this paper would work great. So it comes with the title. It says Meal Planner the Week, Monday through Sunday, and then it's divided breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a small section here for snack ideas. And then in the back, you have 2 columns for grocery lists and then a notes section. So these are the inserts for the meal planner. And like I mentioned, you can pop these into your notebook. They also have them for your organizers. So if you don't use a notebook, but you want it for your A5, for example, these could work for you as well. And then I also got a set of project and goal trackers. So I wasn't sure how I wanted to use the notebook, so I wanted to have options. So this is the second set of inserts, and it's the same as the meal planning inserts. They come with 56 sheets, white 80 GSM paper, and also fountain pen friendly. So it says projects and goals, the date, a section for 3 projects or goals, and then ideas, steps, team, and then in the back you have materials and resources and some to-dos with due dates. So these are the inserts, and these are an A5 size. Okay, so next let's go to the accessories that I received for the notebook. So the notebook has these dividers. It's a set of 4 dividers: black, pink, white, and gray. So you can pop them into your notebook and then you can divide the sections. So let me show you here. pop them in, and then you can just have them sectioned out. These dividers also come, or also are available for the ring organizers. So again, if you're not a notebook user, but you do have a ring planner, these work great for you. Okay, so last but not least, I want to share with you something that was new to me. So I had never heard of a company called Let's of London. It is also a Filofax company. So I was sent a few products from their website, and I received an address book and a notebook. So they are a planner company and notebook company. They also have planners on their website. So if you're looking for planners, definitely check them out. But I'm gonna share with you right now the two things that I received. So first is this super cute address book. And it is in the size A6. They also have an A5 size. And this address book is from the collection, the Pastels collection. They have other colors in that collection. They have pinks, they have blues, greens. They're all beautiful. But if you know me, you know that I had to go with the stone color. So this is the color stone, and then it has here on the edges, the paper has silver edges, and then it has the title address book embossed in silver as well, with their logo in the back. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes with obviously the entire alphabet, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sheets for each letter. And the paper is white, and it comes with 190 pages. So it is not a heavy book at all. And I really love the material. It is a micro textured cover, so it will hold up well. So this is the little notebook. I was looking if it had a little ribbon, but it doesn't. So this is the notebook, and then I also received this notebook. So this notebook is from the Origins collection. It is a ruled notebook, and the color is tan, and it has the logo embossed here in the back along with the front, and it says notes. Then you open it up, a little bit of the company, and then here you get into the notebook. So this notebook has 235 cream pages. They are numbered, which that is pretty cool, and they're lined. So the lines are blue with a red line here for the header. And then it does come with a cream colored ribbon as well. And this notebook is also fountain pen friendly. Okay, so this is what I received from Let's of London, and these are the things that I received from Filofax. So I am very excited to start playing around with these and share with you a little bit more of how I'm gonna use them. Okay, you guys, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you, Filofax, for gifting me this, and I will catch you back on my next video. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.